Yeah. Look around. Who's really winning while we're fighting in the streets? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. A kid on a rubber boat crossing through the rain. A mother with a suitcase carrying all her pain. A father working night shifts, breaking down his spine, trying to build a future one overtime at a time. Now tell me who's the enemy? The man who cleans your train, the nurse who saves your grandmother, the worker in the rain. We're standing in the same queue, living through the same squeeze. Yeah, rent keeps climbing higher, but they blame the overseas. Turn the neighbor to a target, turn the stranger to a threat. Keep the people looking downward, so the powerful forget. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Red or blue, black or white, different prayers in the night. When the bills arrive together, we all face the same fight. Hey! Don't tell me fear is freedom. Don't tell me hate is truth. We're all somebody's child. We're all somebody's youth. They draw lines between the people while they build walls made of gold. If we stand side by side, their story starts to fold. Hands up, hearts open. Hear the voices that they hide. The poor don't rob the poor. We're stronger, unified. Yeah. The headlines scream invasion. Every channel sells alarm, but division is a business and fear is part of the charm. While families choose between heating homes and buying food, some are counting record profits from a penthouse with a view. They say, look at the migrant, point your anger down the chain, but the boardroom stay invisible, never mentioned by their name. Different accents, different faces, yet the struggle sounds the same. Trying to keep the lights on, trying to keep our families safe.
What if the story's upside down?
What if we're looking through a screen?
What if the ones with all the power
need us fighting to stay unseen?
What if the answer isn't hatred?
What if the answer isn't blame?
What if the hand you fear the most
feels exactly the same pain?
Don't tell me fear is freedom. Don't tell me hate is truth.
A nation isn't weaker when it welcomes something new. The streets belong to all of us.
The future's ours to write, and every child deserves a place where hope can outshine pride.
No more scapegoats, no more lies, no more brothers turn apart. Because the strongest kind of country is the one with the biggest heart. Look around. The nurse, the driver, the builder, the teacher. Maybe the people beside you were never the problem at all. Yeah.